Hi guys, today I'd like to answer the question that you've asked me. Can you get a job in machine learning without a degree in computer science or without an advanced master in statistics or a PhD? I got my first internship in data science when I only had a 3-year degree in completely unrelated subject, economics. So, long story short, yes. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 tips on how you can do that. Let's get started. Tip number 1, learn data exploration. It is estimated that data scientists spend about 80% of their time doing data exploration, data cleaning, and only the remaining amount of time doing actual algorithms. Why is that? Data is messy. It contains outliers, it contains missing values. It's not always a beautifully structured, labeled CSV file. So this is what my mentor told me when I just started out. She said, learn data preprocessing well. And she was right. She also pointed me to a very good resource, a very good article where you can start learning about it. I actually saved that article because I thought it was so good, and I'm linking it in the description below. Point number 2, learn Pandas, Scikitlearn, and Numpy libraries. They are the absolute standard in the industry, and if you don't know them, you'll have a hard time finding your first job. Pandas allows you to read in the data into a data frame and then manipulate the data frame. Pandas is awesome. Without Numpy, you'll have a hard time working with vectors, and vectors are really the basic data structure when you work with neural nets, when you want to do, image recognition, natural language processing, anything like that. Scikitlearn, you're going to use extensively. It contains classification, regression, clustering, preprocessing algorithms. If you can fit your data on those algorithms from Scikitlearn, you're halfway there. Point number 3, learn the theory. Personally, I am a huge enthusiast of plug-and-play solutions. I love working with libraries. However, in the interview, the interviewer will want to know whether you understand the things that you talk about. So let's say you've created a project based on neural networks, and the interviewer asks you, how does backpropagation work? And you don't know, you're out of luck. I'd like to highlight, you don't need to know everything. You don't need to understand how every single machine learning algorithm out there works. But if you talk about something in your interview, if you've built something, then own it, then be the expert and show that you understand how it works under the hood. Number 4, you only need basic SQL. As a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, you will work with databases, you will work with data, and you'll need to know how to retrieve the data from the databases. And for that, you'll most likely need SQL. However, you only need the most basic commands. Most likely, you won't need to know how to create new tables or how to delete existing records. That's something that data engineers will take care of. For you, you only need to know how to retrieve the data. So if you go to W3 schools and go through the first section, SQL tutorial section, then that's more than enough. Number 5, start with startups. My first data science internship was with a small tech startup in London. Why are startups your best bet? I think there are 2 reasons. First of all, they have less structured hiring processes. So if they like you, they will hire you. And second of all, I think it's an even more important point actually, you'll get a lot of responsibility. You'll be assigned to a project and you have to deliver, and a lot will be expected from you. That's the best way to learn. Corporations are much slower, and getting that degree of responsibility takes a lot of time. Number 6, look for a mentor. Having a mentor is a power that is extremely underestimated. I was lucky enough to find my first mentor at my first work. She was the person that truly cared about others and wanted others to grow. A mentor will point you to the right resources. A mentor will make sure that you're on the right track. A mentor might even recommend you for a job. And now you might think, okay, but how do I get one? Who's got time to help a stranger? But you'll be surprised to know how many people want to actually help others, how many people love to spend their free time coaching others. It's in our nature. People want to help other people, so take advantage of that. And I think the best place to look for a mentor is LinkedIn. In the description below, I am specifying a couple of accounts, a couple of people that I follow, experts in machine learning. They are active on LinkedIn, and if you comment under their content specifying that you're looking for a mentor, you want to learn, I am 100% sure that someone will reach out to you wanting to be your mentor. And number 7, personal projects. This is really the most important point. And don't take me wrong, I don't mean contributing to open source projects, but what I do mean is creating your own personal projects that you will upload to your own GitHub account. Employers will most likely expect you to have a GitHub account so that they can go there and see what you've done. This is the easiest way for them to see what you truly know and how much interest you've got in machine learning. If you're looking for guidance on this, I have a couple of videos with simple machine learning project ideas. You can start there. And once you get more comfortable, download your own data from Kaggle, use your own algorithms, play around, make something that you're proud of, understand what you've done, and showcase it in the interview. Let me know in the comments what is your background and what area of machine learning interests you most. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because I have more videos with more content coming up for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.